Good morning guys, today I am back with another video. Today I will unbox this particular tire inflator. It is a Michelin brand and it's a very reputed brand, and its model number is 12260 and it costs around 2800 to 3000 rupees. Now what you get inside, let me show you. Here you get a removable tire pressure monitor, which you can use removing from here. This is an added addition. If you want, you can use it like this as a tire pressure gauge, and it is very handy. So let us remove this first. So you can see it's working, and with this you can check your tire pressure. This is it is showing 20 and it is a handy tool. Let us refit it here again. Now let's check how it works. Now one added advantage with this particular unit is that you can also reduce the air pressure by pressing this. If you have more air pressure than the recommended level, that is an added advantage. Length is quite big, so any big car can be easily given tire pressure with this particular tire inflator. Now I have started the engine and plugged it inside the 12-volt power socket, and let's do it. And the tire pressure is 29 psi. Let's give the pressure. Here you see it is showing 28 psi. Now let's switch it on. As you can see, I have given 30 psi. The advantage of this system is that you can reduce the pressure by pressing this particular valve, and you see I am reducing the pressure and it's 29 psi. Now my recommendation is always add a little bit more since it's winter, so I have given 29.5, and it's a rapid inflator. You see it did it in a fraction of a minute, so it's quite fast. So here the tire pressure is 27. So let's see how much time it takes. One drawback of this particular inflator, it doesn't have any preset or it doesn't have auto cutoff. That particular feature is absent here, which I don't like about this particular inflator. So it's 29. One advantage of rapid inflator is it's very easy for top-up jobs. Let us inflate the completely deflated tire of my Honda City. The tire size is 175/65 R15 and it's 0 to 33 psi, and it was done completely in 3 minutes flat, so it's quite fast considering the size. So it is 32.5. that has quite a big tire considering it is 175/65 R15. So it has taken quite less time from 0 to 33 psi. Let's check whether it's heated up or not. No, it has not heated up. If I consider I have already given air pressure to two tires, then to this car and this, but still it's quite cool. And you can see a fan inside, so it has got a forced cooling system, so it won't heat up like the other tire inflators you see in the market. Nozzle quality, you see it's a brass nozzle and is a very good quality, so I definitely recommend this particular tire inflator as a indispensable tool for your car. And if you find the video useful, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much and goodbye. Please do subscribe.